Good morning, everybody. My name is Omer from Totango. I want to talk to you today about an important concept called the customer journey. If you really want to be successful in a subscription business, you need to make sure your customers are happy. And to do that, you need to understand that each one of your customers is actually going through a different customer journey with different stages and actually a set of expectations and different behavior at each one of the stages. Let me walk you through on how to actually map the different stages of a customer journey. What you really want to do is actually stop firefighting. You need to continuously push your customers to see value in order to make sure they're happy. And if you think of the typical journey of a customer, once they start, you need to get them to first value as soon as possible. Then they need to get to recurring value so they'll stay with you. And ideally, you want to get them to new value so they'll actually upgrade and buy more software and services. So the reality is that you want them to be on the green path, but sometimes some of them will actually go there. What you really want to do is actually be able to document those different stages, identify who's off track, who's falling behind, and take the right action to get them back on track. Let me show you some examples on how to do that. And I think one of the important things you need to remember is that you want to monitoring leading indicators. Leading indicators are things that they're doing right now in your product versus lagging indicators like number of support tickets or service that they're taking. For example, if I'm a project management company, ideally, when somebody starts, I want them to get the first value as soon as possible. It could be creating the first project, inviting a couple of their colleagues, assigning 3 or 4 tasks, and maybe viewing the reports. Then they need to get to recurring value. It could be spending at least an hour a day in the system. It could be spending a lot of time in the report section and actually creating a lot of tasks. So regarding what's your application, if you want to make sure your customers are happy, document the different stages, identifying who's off track, and take action to bring them back on track.